Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the place where learning English feels calm, easy, and natural. I'm Ava.
Hello, Ava. And hi, everyone. I'm Noah. I'm really happy to be here with you today. I feel good, relaxed, and ready to learn.
I'm happy too, Noah. You sound very energetic today. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I did. I had a very big breakfast. Eggs, toast, and a very large glass of orange juice. It was delicious.
Oh, wow. A big breakfast is a great way to start the day. I only had a small yogurt and my coffee.
Coffee is very important too. I can see it. It looks warm.
It is. It's my favorite part of the morning. But Noah, I'm excited because today we have a special topic.
Oh, I love special topics. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to learn how to express our opinion.
Ah, opinions. That sounds important. We all have opinions, right?
Yes, exactly. We have opinions about food, movies, music, and even the weather.
That's true. I have many opinions. Sometimes I think I have too many opinions.
That's okay. Sharing our opinions helps us talk to people and make friends.
I agree, but sometimes it's hard to find the right words in English. I don't want to sound rude, and I want people to understand me.
You're not alone, Noah. Many learners feel nervous about this. They think, how do I say what I think? Is this correct?
Yes, that's exactly how I feel. So I'm ready to learn some easy ways.
Great. But before we start, let's ask our friends for a small favor.
Yes, everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, please press the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Ease. We want to see you here every day.
And please share this episode with your friends or family who are learning English too.
Thank you so much. Okay, Noah, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk about opinions.
The first way is very simple. We use two words. I think.
I think. Yes, I know those words.
They're very common. For example, I think this coffee is great.
Okay, so I can say, I think the sun is very bright today.
Perfect. Or, I think English is fun.
I definitely think English is fun.
Another useful phrase is, I feel.
I feel like emotions?
Yes, but we also use it for opinions. For example, I feel this movie is too long.
Oh, I see. I think and I feel are very similar.
Exactly. They're great for daily conversations. What if I want to sound a little more formal?
A good question. You can say, in my opinion. In my opinion. That sounds professional.
Yes, but still easy. In my opinion, the blue shirt is better.
In my opinion, pizza is the best food in the world.
That's a strong opinion, but a great sentence. So we have I think, I feel, and in my opinion.
Yes, and one more friendly phrase is for me.
For me. For me, summer is the best season.
For me, tea is better than coffee.
Oh, Noah, how can you say that?
Sorry, just an example. I like your coffee too.
Okay, forgiven. See, you just shared your opinion. What do I say after my opinion? You ask a question. The easiest one is, what do you think?
What do you think? I like that.
Or you can say, do you agree?
Do you agree? That's useful.
Let's practice. I think cats are better than dogs. What do you think?
I'm not sure. For me, dogs are better because they're friendly. Do you agree?
I see your point, but I think cats are cute and quiet.
That's true. My dog is very loud.
I'm not sure is a very polite phrase.
Is it rude to say no?
Sometimes it sounds strong. Better to say, I don't think so, or maybe, but
Maybe, but I think the other restaurant is cheaper.
perfect. Very polite.
What if I agree?
You can say, I agree with you. Exactly. Or, you're right.
Exactly. I like that word.
One more important thing, give a reason using because.
I think winter is beautiful because I love snow.
Perfect sentence.
What about movies?
Sure. What do you think about action movies?
I think action movies are exciting because they're fast. What do you think?
For me, they're too loud. I prefer romantic movies.
Maybe, but they can be boring sometimes.
I see your point. Start small. Use I think first.
And smile when you speak.
Yes, a smile makes your opinion sound friendly.
We learned how to share opinions, agree, disagree, and give reasons.
You did great, Noah.
Thank you, Ava. I feel more confident now.
That makes me very happy. Now we want to hear from you. In your opinion, what is the best city in the world and why?
Write your answer in English in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.